In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Canva background remover. Let's get started. First, I head to the Photos tab on the left sidebar to find an image for my design. I'll select this cocktail photo and drag it directly onto the blank canvas. To remove the background, I click Edit in the top toolbar and then select the BG Remover tool. Once the background is gone, I'll resize the image by dragging the corners and move it over to the top left side of the page. Now, I'll look through the photo library for a second element. I'm going to use this photo of pink tulips in a white vase. I drag it onto the canvas, then click Edit and BG Remover again to isolate the flowers from their original background. I'll make this image a bit smaller and position it in the top right corner. For my final addition, I'll scroll down and choose this single pink flower. I'll drop it into the design, click Edit, and use the BG Remover one last time. Now, I can just resize the flower and position it at the bottom center to complete the layout. It's a quick and easy way to create custom, isolated elements for any of your projects. Thanks for watching.